Hi guys, so I did a thing. I baked banana bread for the first time for my mom. I started off by creaming my butter and my sugar. I added mashed bananas and eggs. I sifted flour, baking powder, and salt. After I sifted the dry ingredients, I also added a half a cup of milk and lemon juice. And also I added a half a cup of walnuts to the batter. After everything was incorporated and mixed well, I added the banana bread batter to a greased loaf pan to go in the oven. I have my loaf pan on top of a cookie sheet lined with foil because, as I said, I've never baked banana bread before and I didn't know if it was going to spill over. I have my oven preheated to 350 degrees. After I baked the banana bread for about 45 to 50 minutes, it was ready to come out of the oven. And look, it's all golden brown now. I don't know if it's supposed to be cracked up top, but oh well. This is my first time. As you see, I poked holes through it to make sure everything was done. There's no batter coming out of it anywhere. It's completely done. And oh my gosh, it smells so good. I sliced a piece after it cooled down. And look, oh my gosh, it's delicious. And as always, thanks for watching.